But you don't only create courses, you also do a little bit of freelancing, right?
Yes, from time to time. If there is a good offer, I'll take it. And if there are no good offers, I focus on making courses.
Yeah, which also fits into the rest, because with freelancing, you still have a lot of freedom. You can decide for who you work. They usually don't, they're not as long as a job. And you still maintain your freedom, basically. But there are also some downsides to freelancing, especially when you live in a country like Germany or maybe the USA, where salaries are higher. Then it's a bit harder to get offers that give you the same amount of money than a job would do.
I think it's always you always also have to kind of build your brand if you're a freelancer, that you put out content, that people somehow know you and somehow know what you know, because otherwise why would they spend more money for someone if they can get the same for like someone from a poorer country for like $5 an hour.
Yeah,
I think that is always, if you want to do freelancing, then you kind of also have that more work kind of that you do apart from freelancing, that you build your brand, put out content and stuff like that, and you always have to be actively looking for clients if you don't have any other income sources. But on the other hand, you also have the chance to earn much more money than you can as an employee, but also much less money.
Yeah, this was also actually my next question, how to get freelance clients. But you already answered that. You have to market yourself on social media. You have to build a brand, basically. Otherwise, it's difficult, right? Because no one knows about you.
Yeah.
And how do they even find you?
I wouldn't really know how to do it if I wouldn't have some kind of social media presence.
Yeah, you have.
I mean,
I know that you have tried Upwork, right? How was your experience with that?
I like Upwork as a platform. So I didn't make too good experiences with Upwork itself and their customer support, but Upwork is still a good platform to find clients, and it just helps you to actively do something to find clients, because you can just send proposals to potential clients who describe their job. I think it's a good place to start, but nevertheless, you still need to be known, or you still need to have some good testimonials or so if you start there. So it's not just like you create an Upwork account and you will get jobs. It's really not like that. But if you have a good reputation there, you can probably make a really good amount of money.
Okay, so yeah, people won't really get around creating content, basically, if they want to do, if they want to have some kind of freedom, because otherwise you don't get people to you.
Yes, I think so. Or if you're a really good networker, for example, you go to networking events all the time or hold some speeches, then this might also work. But this doesn't apply to me, for example. So I think the social media route is the better one for me.
Yeah, I also have to say, I don't want to make a false impression. I think having a job is totally fine. Not everyone has to be self-employed. But I think even with a job, it's good if you have some kind of presence, either on social media, or a blog is also very common, to just have a blog where you write some technical content from time to time. Because eventually you might want to switch companies. And again, this helps you get people to know you and get companies to hire you.
It helps you with pretty much anything in your career.
Yeah, and in this day and age, having some kind of content on the internet is pretty important, I think.
Absolutely.